Introducing the Malibu by Nightingale. Here's how to make the most of your new task chair. Start by adjusting the height of your seat. To lower, lift the lever on the right-hand side of the chair upwards while sitting. To raise the height, lift the same lever with all your weight off the seat. Next, adjust the position of the seat. Lift the lever in front of the one you just used. When the lever is activated, move your seat to the desired position while seated, then release the lock. Now adjust your tilt. Pull lever up to unlock. To lock chair and recline, push lever down to lowest setting. Push lever down halfway to free float. To adjust the arm height, lift the trigger found just below the arm pads and move into desired position. Release to lock. Your arm should be at a 90-degree angle for optimum comfort and support. To adjust the width, open the lever at the base of the armrest and adjust to desired position. To pivot your armrests, simply twist the arm pads. You can also adjust position by sliding the arm pads forwards or backwards. Now, this Malibu chair is uniquely yours.